Carter, and I went to the AEI Values in Capitalism conference in the fall of 2017, my senior year. And it was an amazing experience. I loved all the people that were there from all over the states, from different colleges and different backgrounds and lots of different experiences. There were business majors, accounting majors, entrepreneurship majors, econ majors. So it was really cool just getting to network with people of different experience and different backgrounds. And it built a really cool, long-lasting community. I still even talk to some of them. So I love that part, the connections part and the community aspect that AEI kind of fostered. And then also the different people that they brought in to give talks and just to spend time with us, the mentors, were really amazing. I met Haley Robison from CAMIC. She's the CEO of CAMIC, and she was just awesome. She had so much wisdom and so much insight just to give to us, especially in a phase of transition when a lot of us were juniors and seniors moving into the workforce. And there were just so many different topics covered too over the weekend, things of spiritual discipline and different topics like business and different things with entrepreneurship. It was just kind of a wide range of topics and of experiences. So I really, really enjoyed it, and I definitely recommend it to anybody. My year was in Seattle, so it was really fun getting to see the city and experience the city. And it's a really, really thriving city too. There are lots of different small businesses there and startups. Just a lot going on in that city. So it was a really cool location to have it in as well. So yes, I definitely recommend it. It's awesome.
Hi, I'm Rachel, and I went to the AEI Honors Weekend program in spring of 2017. The topic was entrepreneurship and human flourishing. So it was really awesome to just spend a weekend in a city with a bunch of peers who are interested in studying the same thing I am, which is entrepreneurship and how to make the world a better place. So it was really amazing to see how we all have similar goals, but how we're all trying to do different things to accomplish those goals. And one of my favorite things about it was the fact that it wasn't just a group of students. We had several mentors who were business owners and world-class professors just trying to teach us and facilitate discussion about how to sponsor human flourishing in the world. And I would absolutely recommend this to anybody. It was a great experience and very inspiring.